we can always crop it.
Perfect. All right.
Take a look at how Coolsculpting works. Patented Coolsculpting technology safely targets and freezes fat cells directly under the skin without harming surrounding nerves or tissue. Typically, up to 20 to 25% of fat in the treated area will begin to be eliminated in the weeks following treatment by the body's own natural processes. Over the weeks and months after treatment, there's a noticeable reduction in the fat layer of the treated area. Results are typically seen 1 to 3 months after treatment.